something out. I think you can do a green screen on a live.
And then we'll cut a little bit, and I also remind him that, God forbid, anything would happen.
No, I don't think you can.
I called your boyfriend or fiance a budget Ryan Gosling, and you canceled.
It's weird. I thought you could do a green screen on a live. I didn't know that.
You got a brand new baby, an unemployed wife, you got no money.
Hell yeah.
What you did?
Try to go outside real quick. See if I can get lightning on camera. It's raining all crazy out here. What I was talking about earlier. What's up, Nacho Daddy? I was telling everybody to go fly a kite in lightning. This is why, because it's all crazy out here. I don't know if you can see the street. Like, it was just lightning out here. Get that kite, bro. I think it'd be a dope video. But if the lightning was as bright as it was earlier. See, yo, did you see that shit? Did you see that shit? It was blue. That's what I was talking about. When I was talking about flying a kite, it's because I've been seeing this lightning. Yo, that shit was crazy. I gotta face that direction. So you see I'm far away. Yeah, that shit was bright as hell. I figured I'd come out here and try to catch some lightning. I'm doing a long ways one now. So you can get more of the stuff behind me. Get that lightning on camera. It's crazy. It hasn't rained in a while. You need a Discord so you can harass. I mean, you know. Yeah. That's funny. That's a good idea. I love the rain shelter. Hell yeah, me too. It hasn't rained in a while, so it's been crazy. Oh, that was a good one. You see that? Yeah, flying a kite and that shit right now. That shit was pretty close. I don't think we're going to get one for the podcast. What do you mean, a rainstorm? Damn, make it blunt. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy out here. It's like green. I don't know if you can see that. Like the sky's like a greenish like hint. And when it hits, it just like lights up. It's crazy. Oh, Discord. Yeah. Yeah, it's a pain in the ass, it seems like to me. I got a Discord, like I said already, but yeah, that's just crazy. Every time, like the server